top-up degree is an excellent opportunity for students looking to sort of take their knowledge and understanding that one step further. And there's going to be a lot more of an in-depth introduction to sports coaching, football coaching in particular. We've got a range of really exciting guest lecturers, UEFA A licence and Pro licence holders here. That it's a real unique opportunity for students to sort of upskill themselves.
The course had a very positive impact on my course. It allows me to get to this next stage where I want to once I finish the degree, which is strength and conditioning.
So the reason why I chose to do the top up is because I wanted to do the full degree because I feel like it will give me more opportunities in the future.
I find that it's made me a lot confident, definitely with the academic side, so learning in the classroom has definitely benefited my performance as a coach on the field.
The course has helped me develop professionally with the hands-on experience and being out in the workplace and being able to actually coach and learn off other coaches. Sitting down watching the lectures is really good, it's really formative, and you learn so much from it, but that hands-on experience is what helps me learn and probably a lot of other students as well.